Today, I'll show you how to create a simple and easy product animation in just minutes. Let's start. Open Canva. Select mobile video size. Add text. Change the font. Curve the text shape. Repeated the process with another text. Go to Elements. Add a circle frame. Add product image. Adjust in mockup. Change the text color. Add splash element. Change the splash colors. Change the background color. Apply rotate animation. Subscribe for more easy design tutorials.